Have you ever wished you could open your favorite app or website instantly without digging through the Windows Start panel or opening your web browser? Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to boost your productivity and simplify your workflow using my Quick Launch. This powerful app lets you access your most used apps, links, and actions with just one click. So, what exactly is my Quick Launch? It's a customizable launcher that lives right on your desktop and the Windows 11 widget board. Think of it as your personal shortcut hub, where you can store your app shortcuts and websites, all organized exactly how you want. Customize. When you click on the Options button, you'll see the page where you can create groups to organize your apps and links into specific categories. Below, you'll find all the apps you can add to the launcher panel. Simply select an app and click the Add App button to make it appear in your launcher. Furthermore, once the app is in the list, you can assign a category to each app, such as work, games, and more. You can also add your own custom website link. Just enable this checkbox. I'll use it to add the Google and YouTube websites here. When you click on the Home tab, you'll see two new items added: the Google and YouTube website links. To change the text label, go back to the Settings page. You won't find the option here. It's actually in the Design tab. So go ahead and click on that tab. Here you'll see a preview of the panel. You can click on a button to change its label, for example, rename Web1 to your preferred name. I'll type Google and click the blue Save Changes button. I'll do the same for the YouTube button. In this preview, you can also change the order of each button. For example, click and hold the YouTube button, then drag it to the first position and release it. Now it's swapped with the Notepad app. I'll do the same to swap the calculator with the Google website button. When you're done, click the Save Positions button. Go back to the Home tab, and you'll see the new positions and updated labels have been applied correctly. Now, when you click on any of the actions in the My Quick Launch panel, it will instantly open them. For example, if I click on Google, it will open my default web browser with the Google homepage. The same goes for the YouTube icon. It will open the YouTube homepage. And when I click on an application, such as Notepad, it will open my Windows 11 Notepad app. The same goes for the Calculator app. Let's open the Shortcut tab. When this option is enabled, you can use Ctrl+1 to open Notepad, Ctrl+2 to open Calculator, and so on. Windows 11 widget. You can also add My Quick Launch to your Windows 11 widget board. To do this, click on the weather icon in your taskbar to open the Windows 11 widget board. Then click the large plus Add Widgets button. Next, select My Quick Launch from the list and click the blue Add Widget button. Once added, you will see the widget on your Windows 11 widget board. And you can add as many widgets as you want. I will add 2 more widgets. You can now also customize this widget. You can change the tiles to a list view. Another option is to use the category groups we created earlier to show only their own set of apps within the widget. And that's it. You now know how to use the My Quick Launch Windows app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more app content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.